Hello friends, in this video let me show you how to fix the site cannot be reached issue. One of the popular issue. If the solution in this video do not fix your issue, you can check the video description. I have left a couple of more video with a different sets of solution. The either video will definitely help you fix the problem. There are the different number of solution, different types of solution in the different video. So guys, check out this video first. So the first step that you can try, so make a note of it. It's chrome://flags/. Just make a note of it, and then guys, in the URL section of your browser, just type it and press enter. On the top in a search, you're gonna type TLS in a capital letter, and then you're gonna see this. You're gonna see default over here. You just have to enable it. Alright, so enable that, and then you can relaunch now and check it out if the issue is solved. The site can't be reached, issue must be solved. If this do not fix your issue, just come back. If any problem occurs, you can follow these steps to come back to the same place, and you can set it back to default. Alright, so at first enable it and check it out. If any issue, anytime you can come back and set it to default. So this is the one way you can fix the problem. The second method, in the same, so you have the same place, you're going to visit the same. It's a chrome://flags. On the search, this time you're going to type quick, QUIC. You're going to see experimental quick protocol. You can see it is default. You just have to enable it. Enable it and relaunch now, and go back and check it out. By making these two different settings, you can check it out if your problem is solved. If problem is not solved, if any issue occurs, if you are getting into any kinds of trouble because of this, you can come back and reset all to default and relaunch it now again. So do this to change in the settings of flags, and the issue must be solved. The third step that you can try, it's a very common step. Go to the search and type CMD, or you can type command prompt. You right click on it and run as administrator. Select yes, and it will open the command prompt. Now guys, you're gonna type all these commands one by one in a command prompt. So one by one, you're going to type the command and press enter key. Type the next command and press enter key. Type the next command and press enter key. So one by one, you're going to type all these commands and press enter key one by one. So try typing these commands at first. Press the enter key after each commands, and then restart your computer. Issue is not solved. At last, type this command and press enter key and restart your computer. So following this step, it's a third step that you can follow. It's a common step that will fix all your internet issue, and even you'll be able to access the website. The site can't be reached problem should be solved. This is the third step that you can follow. The fourth step that you can follow, go to the search and type run. You can open the run. In run, you're gonna type this services.msc. Type over here services.msc and click on OK. You'll see this. All the stuff are in alphabetical order. Come to the letter D, and here you have somewhere DNS client. Here you go, DNS client. So watch it in a full screen, everything will be visible. So DNS, it's a DNS client. So select that DNS client, give a right click on it, and you can restart it. Alright, you can refresh it at first. Refresh it. Here's the all tasks. Okay guys, so refresh it and then you can restart the DNS client. So this is the fourth step that you can follow. Following all these 4 different steps will definitely fix you the problem. Fix your problem, the site cannot be reached. If the issue still exists, check more videos in the video description and the comment section down below. Check the video description or the comment section down below. Follow the videos, different sets of solution. You can follow those solution. One the either video or one the other solution will definitely help you fix the problem. Be sure to share this video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if the problem is solved. Have a good day. Catch you in the next video.